It's December 1st today. We're gonna try and do the Vlogmas just like what everyone else is doing. Right now I'm just cleaning up the room while Tristan over here is playing on his jumper. I just got done feeding Tristan. I gave him mashed bananas with oatmeal cereal and milk. And now he's playing down here. But this is how he decides to drink his bottle. He wants to sit and play. That's not how you play with your ball, boy. That's not how you play with it. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? We are at Pearl Thai Cuisine. Just ordered our food. It's in Benicia. Just trying this new place out. I got beef pad seal. Brandon got chicken pad thai. They were yummy. We're at home now. Stop by McDonald's to get ice cream. And Tristan is sleeping and snoring. Watch. The baby's milk wasted. And he's snoring if you can hear him.